I used to have a management where that owns instruments, and they weren't musicians. We suffered. We ate raw cabbage. But out of the little I got, I managed to buy myself a small guitar to play on my show. I negotiated with the management to have a little share for my guitar because I'm using my own guitar on this band. It was very hard those days. I asked my fellow musicians, look here guys, let's group up a little coins and let's get ourselves equipment. But one wasn't interested, and I did it by myself.
Zimbabwean musicians, they play what they know that Zimbabweans will like it. If there is any way of making that music going out there, well,
we change it accordingly.
Yes, anything can happen but you can't change what we are playing here, putting it in